Hey there 4-Hers, my name is Rachel Goday and I am a proud 4-H alum from Poincoupee Parish. For today's 4-H virtual recess, I'm going to show you a fun way to get organized and play around with these little canisters here. So I'm pretty sure everyone has tin cans around the house. You're just going to want to take them, clean them out, be very careful with the sharp edges when you open them. Then, after you've gathered up a few cans, here comes the fun part. So don't go to the store and buy anything to decorate your little cans. I want you to find things that are around the house because that's kind of the fun in all of this. I was able to find in my art box lots of different acrylic paint colors. I found one single sheet of colorful pom-poms. Of course, I found some paint brushes. I have washi tape. And then I found paste. I don't know, it might be useful. I have a ton of yarn. I have these little glass beads that I feel like everyone has. I found a little bag of moss. I found some fake succulents. I found spray paint and this random bit of yellow fabric. So with that, we're going to get started painting. Immediately upon opening this paint, I made a giant mess, got on my shirt. So now we're in a different shirt, which brings up a pretty important point. Maybe don't do arts and crafts in nice clothes. I'm going to set these aside to let them dry for a little while I get started on my other design. My next idea doesn't involve making really any sort of mess. I was going to use these different little washi tapes that I have to wrap around the can multiple times, and I thought that it would be pretty cute. So now I have one of my little cans done, and I'm seeing that my other ones are still pretty wet. So that leads me to idea 3. For idea 3, I'm going to use this yellow fabric that I have. I'm going to cut it into really small strips. Then I'm going to take each of the strips, wrap it around the can, and then tie it off. That's my plan, at least. Sometimes part of the creative process is just figuring out what works and what doesn't. So we'll see if it goes well. Well, that was really quick and it's so quirky. I love it. So here are my completed canisters. In the two one with pom-poms, I put some little art pins. In the washi tape one, I put some little succulents, and then I've stuck some wisps in my little yellow tassel one. Honestly, I do think that the pom-pom one is my favorite, although I'm totally still in love with this one. So I hope you had fun at today's 4-H virtual recess. Check back every weekday at 2 p.m. for another fun activity.